Welcome to your dream home at 1019 Dornajo Way, number 229. Step into this freshly staged, move-in ready 2-bed, 2-bath unit, an incredible opportunity at just $244,900. A smart investment and priced to sell quickly. You'll be getting a fully upgraded turnkey property for less than anything comparable on the market right now. Inside, discover thoughtful updates throughout. Imagine cooking in your refreshed kitchen featuring granite countertops and brand new appliances, all set against the backdrop of updated flooring. Plus, with new electrical installed within the last 5 years, you can move in with complete peace of mind. Amherst Place offers an array of fantastic amenities, a refreshing pool, a well-equipped fitness center, and a convenient clubhouse for gatherings. You'll also appreciate having 2 assigned parking spaces, and here's a major bonus. Your HOA dues cover your water and sewer bill. That means significant savings every month. This home is vacant and truly move-in ready, making your transition seamless. Opportunities like this don't last long. Schedule your private showing today and discover all that Dornajo has to offer.
Sacramento.